Perlubie Beach. Christine's just coming on down now.
There's something about coming back to a place you loved as a kid. Perlubie Beach isn't just another camping spot. It's where I spent summer holidays with my family and other local farming families. We'd set up the caravan right on the sand, spend the days in the water and the nights under the stars. It still feels just as magical now, just a little bit busier.
Site 21, babe.
Let's go. Here's the old shelter sheds. Now I'll show you which one we used to park up next to. It's the N1, and we used to, where that white ute is.
Yep.
We used to be just basically there.
Alright, I'll show her as we go past, Ollie.
Yeah.
Let's get this
They
in
used to
first.
have play equipment here. That's all gone.
Tide's quite up.
Yeah.
Alright, there's that white ute Christine's talking about.
Well, the caravan cut was right here. Oh, there's number 1. This time we're in Site 21, right along the shoreline. You have to be fully self-contained to stay here, but the reward? Front row seats to one of the most peaceful beaches in Australia. And this is what we see out the door. The sun low in the sky, calm, glassy water stretching out to the horizon. It's the kind of view that instantly makes you slow down and just breathe. Evenings here are simple. A drink in hand, a sea breeze, and the quiet soundtrack of waves lapping the shore. It doesn't get much better. And as the drone pulls back, you can really take in the beauty of this place. The wide open space, the turquoise water, and the western sky. Glowing golden, it's pure serenity. It's time for breakfast, and honestly, I can't imagine a better setting. Cooking bacon and eggs with this view right in front of us. It's simple, but it's the kind of moment that makes this beach camping so special. Hey. Can't get much better, can it? No. Oh, I can even see little fishies down here.
There's heaps of crabs and a couple of stingrays in the saw.
Oh, really?
Yeah, up more at the other end.
Yeah, where it's a bit shallower and warmer. Okay.
Deep here, can get there.
Beautiful. Well, it's a complete glass out, pretty much, at Perlubie today. The ocean, or the beach, is just glistening in the sun. And I'm going to go for a swim. It isn't hot. It's something like 23 degrees. The water's not hot. But here we go. And of course it's not all cocktails and swims. I also set up to download and sort through footage, and yes, this really is my office for the day.
I've been filming the tour manager in different locations at our work desk, and we've got the Perlubie Beach home office today. So we'll just have a little chat with Christine and see how she's going.
Hello, yes, that is me.
Hello, Christine.
If you didn't know,
Right.
I don't usually introduce myself and my name, so yes, I'm in the home office today. Couldn't really get a much better location, could we?
No. So the YouTube channel Bucket List Adventures by yourself. How would you like people to help you out?
Oh, to do a like, thumbs up, subscribe.
And subscribe's free.
Yep, everything's free. Watch the ads when the ads come on.
Yep.
And make a comment.
And
say
just yeah.
Say something. Hopefully it's positive, but say something that's appropriate for the channel.
Also for the we've got some older friends on. I think we can say that.
Yeah, we
They
demographics for a bit older, but yep, keep going.
It's free for subscribe to us, but it's also free to get YouTube, guys. So if you need to download YouTube to your mobile phone, it's an app, it's free, or to your computer, it's free, or your home, it's free. Yeah, it's all free to download YouTube. Then it's download to the Bucket List Adventures, that's all free as well. So today we're at Perlubie Beach, high tide at the moment, or just starting to go out, and Christine, if we can sneak a peek at what she's doing right now.
Well, I've just opened up actually, so I haven't really started. I want to download the stuff off the drone, so let's go to that.
Have a little look here. No, it's a bit hard to see, but that's all right. So we've had some drone footage today.
Yep.
And what's the drone footage? What did you see out there today?
Stingrays.
Okay, so we'll see.
Some beautiful, calm, clear water.
They'll be in an episode coming.
Oh, yeah, be in a few weeks maybe. We've got that much footage that it's actually taking me a few weeks to get up to current time. So if you turn around, have a look out there. We've got a friend
Okay.
trawling past.
There's Peter the Pelican out there. You might be a bit far out, but g'day, Peter. Just cruising around. So Christine's currently today you're doing what at the computer desk?
I'm taking all of the footage from the drone and the Action Pro 5, and I'm downloading it onto the hard drive, external hard drive. So
Last time we were in the home office you had a red wine on the go while you were working.
yeah, and also had socks on, and I was sitting under the awning.
Today no alcohol. Is there a new policy in place for the channel?
A bit later in the day I bring that up.
If you look closely, you'll spot a stingray gliding through the shallows. Such a graceful moment captured from above. The water here is so incredibly clear, and you can often see all kinds of marine life. On this visit, we also spotted dolphins in the distance. It's too far out for the camera. Also, we did see crabs, but they also weren't when we had our cameras. It's such a reminder that there's so much life beneath the surface here, even if you don't catch it at first glance. A 20-kilometre drive away is Streaky Bay, my old hometown.
Coming into the very delightful little town of Streaky Bay. It's got a bit of a soft spot for me, definitely.
One of the major exports came from here.
Yeah, so come in, have a look around, catch up with some friends. Yeah, love it here.
streets are as charming as ever, lined with the essentials and old favourites like the jetty, the post office, supermarkets, and of course Streaky Surf, where I had to grab a few souvenirs to take home. Peak hour on a Friday afternoon, and she's pumping on Bay Road. Apparently it might be pumping up here. Then it was time for a drink and a catch up at the Knife Shop Distillery, tucked inside the old top hotel building that my family once had a stake in. It's great to see it restored and buzzing with life. Hey Ash, how are you? Oh.
This is Christine's friends from Streaky Bay. How about some insight into Christine's earlier life?
No.
The floors, you can say whatever you like.
No. I'm silenced. There's a code of silence.
You're an A-grade student.
Yeah. A-grade netball.
Alright, that's the end of it.
And no, apparently there's no dirt on me. I was just an A-grade student and an A-grade netballer. I'll take that. And on our last day back at Perlubie, I take one last look from the drone, past the dunes and out towards Zebra Island. Another stingray swims by and this beach just keeps surprising us. The evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, we lit a campfire on the beach and baked some bread, the perfect way to end a peaceful day by the water. And the next day it was time to leave, sadly. We pack up and make our way along the beach at low tide, tyre pressure down, soaking in every last view. Before we hit the road, we stop to reinflate the tyres and then head into Streaky Bay to top up with water and use the dump point. This is a great little spot in Streaky Bay to do your dump point, get some water. It's a great little park. It's got toilet facilities. It's called Pioneer Park and there's a little playground. And some picnic spots and some grass, so how nice. Very good.
really, really, really clean. Really clean. How good. So now we'll make our way on the road to Poochera and then beyond.
The facilities here are great. They're clean and they're easy to access and well looked after. And the next stop, the stunning Mambray Creek National Park, our final adventure before we head home. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss what's coming. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, come back and watch more episodes. We think you're going to love the stories we have in store. So keep watching and don't miss out on our next epic journey.